Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you are looking for a can opener that works so easy, then look no further. This one by Beneno is perfect. It also comes with a magnetic lid retrieval that really grips onto that lid and makes it so easy to remove. I also like that it leaves the can that's open very smooth, and it's a nice smooth cut so that way I can eat directly out of the can. It opens my bottles very easy and grabs the tops of those bottles also with a magnet. The blade really grips onto the can and holds the grip all the way around. It's really smooth like butter. I like that this beige rubber non-slip handle and this knob where you rotate it is really sturdy. Nothing is coming apart. This has incredible gears and it's just strong. So in the kitchen, I can count on this can opener to help me get my cooking going and to do it with joy. I like how this is the perfect addition. I do recommend rinsing it with water and drying it immediately. And if you want the smoothest can opener that is so easy to use and comfortable, get this one. I love it, but that's just my point of view.